In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fonts to your WordPress website using both localhost and Google. This will enhance the look and feel of your site without too much hassle. Let's get started and break it down step by step. First, you'll want to open up your WordPress admin dashboard. From here, navigate to the plugins section and click on Add New. This is where you'll be able to search for new plugins to add to your site. Enter custom fonts into the search bar. Personally, I like to go with the Custom Fonts plugin by Brainstorm Force. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on Install. After the installation is complete, you'll want to activate the plugin. This ensures that the plugin is ready to use and you can begin customizing your fonts. Now, you'll also need another essential plugin, Elementor. It's quite a universal plugin when it comes to WordPress. Search for it the same way, and once you find it, hit install and then activate. Now you should have both the custom fonts and Elementor plugins ready to go. Next, let's head over to the Appearance section of your WordPress dashboard. Under Appearance, find and click on Custom Fonts. This area allows you to manage and add new fonts to your site. Look for the Add New Font option and click on it. Here, you're presented with options to name your new font. It's crucial to ensure that the font file types you plan to upload are supported by the plugin. Common file types include .ttf and .otf, but always double check what's required. After you've named your font, click on the Choose File button. This will prompt you to browse through your documents to select the specific font file you want to add. Once selected, proceed by clicking Upload Files. This step uploads your chosen font to your WordPress site. With the font file uploaded, you'll need to click on Select Files. This confirms your choice and allows you to proceed to the next step. Finally, you'll see an option to Use Font. Clicking this means your new font is now integrated into your WordPress site. Congratulations, you've successfully added a custom font to your WordPress site. This not only enhances the aesthetics, but can also improve the readability and overall user experience on your site. For any further customization, feel free to explore additional options within the Elementor plugin to style your text exactly to your taste. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and tips on optimizing your WordPress website.